At SCR we are going to be reviewing the all-new Volkswagen e-Golf, but it has a different name, and I'm sure you might have seen it on the road, and it's been advertised in 2019. Introducing the Volkswagen ID. It is basically described as the four-wheel iPhone because of how fancy it is. It's got like Apple kind icons, it's got Apple CarPlay, and it hasn't got Android Auto, so that's why it's called four-wheel iPhone. And it is just like the e-Golf. It's basically the all-new e-Golf, and Volkswagen have pointlessly made the e-Golf and replaced it with this car. The price of this car starts from just over £33,000. And you can get a lower price version only if you buy it second hand, which you can't buy second hand right now in 2021. Let's start with this review by talking about the interior of this car. As this is the replaced version of the Volkswagen e-Golf, the interior is just like the e-Golf. As well as this kind of interior, you actually get a much better interior with a white steering wheel and orange on the dash and white outline on the infotainment by the infotainment system. They have to pay a premium for that. Well, as you can see that you do get some cup holders. Sorry, wrong color. You get the cup holders. You get air vents, you get infotainment steering wheel, and you get a logo on there. Just a 1.5 E, and then you get your iPhone icons, you get a driver's display, and you get door bins. Move on to the infotainment system. As you get a closer look over here, it's got icons like Volkswagen Maps and More, which is the app you get for the Volkswagen Hub. You get background personalization, driver's assist, sound, radio, media, telephone, which has BT, Bluetooth. And you get sat nav, like all cars come in standard. You get AC, you get the time there. And then you have some buttons here to control it, and you get climate control and the warning lights. Move on to the most important topics about this car. How does it drive? Well, as this car is just like the Golf, I might have to say pretty much what I said in all Golf reviews about what this thing's like to drive. Well, as this is the electric car, you actually hear pure silence, and then you do have well, the suspension is not as good as the Golf. It's slightly different because all ID cars are going to have different suspension. You have city emergency braking system. You have also got parking sensors, which actually assist you when you're reversing the car, which is very useful in 2021. And you get xenon headlights, so you can see clearly when you're driving in the dark. Move on to the boot of this car. As you can see that it's like the Volkswagen Golf, as you get the adjustable boot floor, ski hatch, netting, and you get some hooks for your shopping bags. Now what's the car like when you fold the seats down? Well, you haven't got a small step like the Golf has. In fact, you have a very big step, but the adjustable boot floor is of course a premium price, and then you get a flat load bay. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed watching all our videos, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never get so you never miss a new upload. And most importantly, follow us on Instagram at instagram.com/SahilCarReviews and follow me on Instagram.com/SahilTheCarFan. If you would like to see the video that's best suited for you, click here. And if you'd like to see the best playlist suited for you, click here. Before we end the video, we'd like to advertise our brand new channel, mine and Kunnar's brand new channel called Brother Duo. And we just played Mario Kart Wii on there. I used to have my Wii wheel. And then the link to the channel is over here. And the link to the video is here, and the links will be in the description below. And then in the video we're going to be playing the video I beat Astrostar and DK Summit in Mario Kart Wii's TTGP Revolution. See you there. Bye. Final lap.